Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to reset your forgotten LinkedIn password using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your smartphone. Once you're in, tap on the Me icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to the Sign In and Security section. Under this menu, you'll find the option to change password. Tap on it. Now, if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on Forgot Password. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Type in your number and hit Next. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Once you receive it, enter the code into the designated field and click Submit. After verifying your identity, you'll be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Fill in all the required fields with a strong and memorable password, then confirm it by clicking Submit. And that's it. You've successfully reset your LinkedIn password using your phone. Now you can log back into your account and continue networking seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it.